How to use Google Classroom in offline mode. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to view your Google Classroom files even when you're offline? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Open up a Classroom app and then select a class. Just tap on the uh, document that you want to be available offline. So once you tap on it, you can see the arrow in the top right corner. Just go ahead and tap on it and it will open up the file's location. And now once it loads up, you'll need to tap on the three dots in the top right, and then you can see make available offline. Just tap on it and then you can see that file will be available offline. And now that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.